Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good whatever, wherever you're listening to me from. I hope you're having a great day. And I am doing my walk. I am Dr. Neva, and I'm doing my podcast in real time that you can hear what I have to say when it comes to my mind. So today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about being a perfectionist. One of the things that holds one back, and even myself, is trying to be perfect, trying to say the right words, trying to make sure I don't make any mistakes, trying to be so perfect. So with that, it holds me back because I don't want the world to see or hear my imperfections. But how am I going to get out there if my message is not being delivered because I'm so hung up on being perfect? I don't know if you have that issue. If you don't, great, good for you. But you got to start. You got to continue. You got to be you. And don't let the little things hold you back. If you have a message, deliver it. If you have things that you do it, right? Don't just get caught up with the fine tuning of details. You can work on those things over time. All right? So get rid of trying to be so perfect. Being a perfectionist can also hold you back. That is my message for today. I am again Dr. Neva with Neve Alliance. You can learn more about me, the company, at nevalliance.com.